So in this one facility, there's one thing that is drastically different between the old equipment that was put in here, let's see, 8 years ago, 10 years ago, can't remember now. This was put in by someone else, VRF system, Toshiba Carrier combo, is these never get clogged compared to all the new system that is PVC pipe. The condensate drains never get clogged. They're in the same facility, doing the same process with the same product in the same environment. But the copper never gets a clog with the gorilla snot, elephant snot, as you would call it. The biological matter that would grow would never grow in the copper lines. So we're going from unit to unit, they're all stacked up. Now the rest of the building, with the later application installation, is all PVC line. It had several problems with repeated clogging up with the gorilla snot. So the next build out and the next two rooms, that this is all going to get torn down. Everything here is going to get torn down, and there's going to be two more rooms here. Another 40, 80 tons of cooling system, but that one's going to be done with copper because the PVC, too much preventive maintenance has to be done constantly. Every 10 weeks or so, drop the little tablets in there and pour in the stuff to keep the gorilla snot away, or elephant snot, you know, condensation, biological growth, we'll call it. And yeah, copper is definitely still the way to go. It doesn't matter that it costs more. It doesn't matter if the labor is even more expensive. The labor to maintenance the PVC and all the plastic pipe from getting clogged up and coming back and keep having to put treatments and pads and pills and liquids and shutdowns, because when it'll clog up and back up, shut down the unit or drip over or whatever the excuse is, copper is the cheapest way to go in the end. All right, that's it.